Well, here we are. It's 5 a.m. We've been up for about 3 hours.
Yep, we have been up for 3 hours.
And last night we were I was taking a nap, and I got up to take Booger out, and this is what we found. Now he's right behind us. He was very close, and we called him on the radio and tried to explain to him, you're a little close. We're probably gonna cross up here tonight, but he was an ignorant SOB and telling me that he's not worried about it, and he'll just keep an eye on his radio and his alarm and blah blah blah. So at 2:30 this morning, the radar alarm goes off because he's that close. In fact, he was actually closer, but he let out some anchor line so that he backed off and we didn't collide. Thank goodness. So it was kind of funny because when he came up on deck to let out his anchor alarm, this is what he found close to him. A big old catamaran came up and anchored right next to him. And he didn't realize it until he came up to fix the anchor because of us. And it was kind of funny because his wife came up on deck behind him to give him light to do some stuff. And suddenly his whole attitude changed. Now the shoe was on the other foot because now he was worried about running into the catamaran. So, but this is boating life. You have people that think they're better than other people because he has a power boat. And now the shoe's on the other foot. So now he told Kimmy he's going to be moving. Whoops, sorry about that. I'm opening my hat so I can go down and make myself some tea. So anyway, such is life. And there he is right behind us. I do like his anchor light though. It kind of twitters in the dark. Talk to y'all later. Bye.